Hey students, this is Miss Olsen-Gaynor and I'm going to show you how to complete a Playposit video in my class. So Playposit videos are listed as assignments so you can find them right from your schedule tab and click open the assignment as you would any other. These are the typical instructions that you'll see with the assignment, which is what I'm going to go through in this video. You're going to click the link below to open the video. You'll sign in using your Office 365 account. You'll take notes while you're watching the video, and then just write done in the submission box once you've finished it. So we're going to do step 1 here, open the link to view the Playposit. The Playposit is going to open in a separate tab for you, and if you haven't ever logged into Playposit before, you may see this screen where you'll need to click the red Office 365 button to log in. It may automatically log you in from there, but if you do have multiple accounts, just make sure you select your Insight School of Washington student email. And then it'll take you back to potentially view this screen where you're going to want to choose that you are a student. And then it will have the actual video for you to watch from there. So the video will play and you will have the ability to track your progress at the bottom. The little white dots represent points where it will ask you a question and you'll just take notes while you're watching the video. And then be sure to respond to all the questions that it's asking you, like the ones here, because I can see those responses. I can see how much time you've spent on the Playposit video, and I can see if you didn't respond or didn't watch the video as well. So once you're done watching the whole video and making your appropriate responses to all of them, make sure that you go back to the original tab with the assignment and scroll down to write done in the submission box. Now actually you don't have to really write the word done. You can just press submit and it'll remove from your overdue list. If you have any questions or anything that didn't work, you can write a note there for me to give me some feedback or anything like that. But as long as you press submit, it'll remove itself from your overdue list. And that's basically it for how you can complete a Playposit in my class.